investors, this is the NFO season and we have three very good NFOs open for subscription right now. First and foremost, we have the Franklin Multicap Fund NFO which is open for subscription till the 22nd of July 2024. The fund manager of this Franklin Multicap NFO has an excellent track record. His name is Kiran Sebastian and he is a Master's of Business Administration from the University of Oxford, has been successfully managing the Franklin India Opportunities Fund and also Franklin India Build India Fund, which have given phenomenal returns in the past. And it is also expected, since the strategy of this multi-cap portfolio is 25% allocation in large cap, 25% allocation in mid cap and 25% allocation in small cap, and balancing wherever the fund manager sees good quality and valuation. This portfolio of multi-cap fund is expected to do exceedingly well in the coming time. Second NFO which is open for subscription is Edelweiss Business Cycle Fund, and it is open for subscription till the 23rd of July. The third NFO which is going to be open shortly is going to be the Invesco Manufacturing Fund NFO, which will be open for subscription towards the end of July and will be open till the 8th of August 2024. So we look forward to having you invest in these upcoming NFOs and gain immensely from the great wisdom and experience of the fund managers and grow your wealth in the long term. For more details, you can always contact us and we'll be very happy to assist you in investing in these portfolios. Thank you.